So get your ad libs in now.
That's it. Say my really stupid stuff now. It's loading slowly still. Okay. Okay, we're live on YouTube. Mr. Arevalo.
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
About to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
That's good. Is your name Esteban Arevalo III?
yes,
Are you the same as Esteban Arevalo III with this cause number 2024-737-241?
Okay,
With this cause, you're charged with the offense of burglary of vehicle.
yes,
Okay, you're trying to be right there.
Okay, if we're gonna do this plea in front of the bench, everyone else in the area's got to be quiet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Okay, Mr. Arevalo, you're charged with burglary of vehicle, and this case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
yes,
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
yes,
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
yes,
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
yes,
And do you understand it?
yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
I do it at the time.
Okay. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes,
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
yes.
So then, to the offense of burglary of a vehicle, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on. By the way, do we have the prosecutor here before I go any further? Okay, just wanted to make sure. Didn't want to go through the whole plea and realize that you weren't here. Has anybody, you understand that on a plea no contest, sir, that the court can still find you guilty?
Yes,
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
no,
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you? Besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
no,
You're doing this of your own free will.
yes,
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state the police decided if there is one?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 73 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied. Additionally, we will take into consideration 2024 CC 737398.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Grinder?
Yes, and we do ask for a judgment satisfied.
You agree to this, Mr. Arevalo?
yes,
Mr. Arevalo, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sent you to 73 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2024 CC 737-398. That means that case will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case. Is this the only, are these the only cases holding your client, Mr. Grinder?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. If these are the only cases holding you, then you should be released sometime today, sir. All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
And Randy, go ahead and actually, Terry, send Randy a voucher so you can send it back to me so I can pay him. Okay.
Yeah, I'm doing that right now, Judge.
All right,
Thank you,
thank
Randy.
y'all.
You can be excused.
Thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Okay, I'm signing the motion to dismiss on that case taken into consideration. And I'm gonna mute the bench for right now since it's gonna be a noise coming in. Okay, today is. Okay, so Ms. Kramer's conferring with her client.
She's there, Judge. She's
Okay, can we get pretrial on so we can go
go
over
over the
the
docket.
dockets?
Let me call him now.
By the way, Terry, who's the attorney today for the felony dockets?
Felony is going to be Bill Davidson. He said he's logging in a
Okay.
few minutes, and Richard
And-
Garcia
and-
on the misdemeanor. And
Misdemeanor.
I told them both to log in already, Judge, so they're coming in. Pretrial should be logging in any minute. Also, Judge, on which docket is it? The felony.
Okay.
Number 4 is a Spanish speaker. I'm going to go ahead and get pretrial on, interpreter.
Well, we need to check with
Okay,
I
let's
don't
let's
want to be the interpreter until we need to. Okay, Maria,
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
can we go over the dockets, please?
Okay, which ones do you want to start with?
Can we start with the misdemeanor?
Okay,
Okay, number 1, not handled. Number 2,
number 2 should be there.
Number 2 is in the
Number 3.
hospital, Judge. Number 2 is in the hospital.
number 2's in the hospital, so. I
Yeah.
think
Oh,
it's-
no. Let me see. Oh, yes, he's in the hospital. They called us yesterday.
Okay,
Okay.
so we're not doing 2. 3's not handled, 4 not handled, 5 not handled. What about 6?
6 should be there.
7 on bond, 8 on bond. What about 9?
9 should be there.
10 on bond. What about 11?
11 should be there.
12 on bond. What about 13?
13 and 14 should be there.
15 not handled. What about 16?
16 should be there.
17 on bond, 18 not handled, 19 not handled, 20,
20 and 21 should be there.
22 on bond, 23 on bond, 24 on bond. What about 25?
25 bonded out yesterday.
25 on bond. 26 on bond, 27 on bond. What about 28?
28 should be there.
29 on bond, 30 on bond, 31 on bond. What about 32?
32 should be there.
33 not handled, 34 on bond, 35 bonded out, 36 bonded out. What about 37?
37 should be there.
38 not handled. What about 39?
39 and 40 should be there.
Okay. Now, let's look at the felony docket. Felony 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 are not handled. What about 4?
4 should be there.
5, not handled. 6, it says returned. I don't know what, refused. I'm sorry. It says
Refused.
7,
7, 8, and 9 should be there.
10 bonded out, and 11 not handled. Correct? Is that
Mhm.
correct, Maria?
Correct, yes.
Okay. I see
Suzanne
Ms.
is out,
Kramer
Judge.
is
Yeah.
Out, from her confirm with the client, and I'm looking for the paperwork on her case.
Judge, we
let's
just
see.
sent it about a minute and a half ago, so it might be another minute before it gets there.
No, I've got it. Corey Cortez, pulling up his paperwork. So I'm gonna ask, Bench, unmute yourself, please. Okay, let's bring Mr. Cortez up. Mr. Cortez, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Kerry Cortez?
Corey Justin Cortez. Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Corey Cortez who in this cause number 2024 CC 738-168, who's charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's
Maya
Consent.
Angel.
Okay, wherever that is, please mute yourself. Let me do this again. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, Your Honor. There's no
Has
contest.
anybody forced you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state police recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 27 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Kramer?
It is, Judge.
You agree to this, Mr. Cortez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then, Mr. Cortez, the court having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 27 days
Mhm.
in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied.
Okay.
You know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Kramer?
It is the only case, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you. Take care. And
Thank you,
Suzanne,
Judge.
thank you.
Maybe
Appreciate
be
it.
released.
You can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, am I hearing magic words from anybody?
Wait, I have a question, sorry. So for the dismissal, I have the cause number of the plea instead of it actually being the,
Oh, did I write the wrong one down?
Spanish speaker?
yes.
Okay, can you correct that for me? The one that was taken into consideration was a 2024-737-398. And
Yes.
if I miswrote it, then that should be the number that's in there.
Okay, so just cross it out and put
Yeah.
that one. Okay, great.
Put that
Thank
number
you.
in. Thank you, Sunday.
Uh-huh.
All right. Any magic words from anybody?
Turn off YouTube, Judge.
I was thinking everyone wanted to hang around